Okay, so we're going to solve for the given variables. So let's look at the first one. Minus 61 equals 3 minus 8a. So we're looking for the side, we've got constants on both sides. So we'll take a constant from the side where there's also a term with a variable, like here, there's minus 8a. Just be aware that this is actually minus 8a, that's positive 3, and that's minus 61. So let's try and solve this. So how do we cancel out plus 3 or positive 3? We do the opposite, or the inverse. So we're minus 3 from both sides. Left with minus 8a. This here we're left with minus 64. Divide by minus 8. Divide by minus 8. That leaves us with a equals 8. And just make sure that the variable is on the left and its value is on the right, and box your answer. Okay, this one over here, plus 3. We're left with 2q equals 2. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. We're left with q. 2 divided by 2 is 1. This one over here, we minus 9 from both sides. We're left with 2r on that side, and we're left with 4 on that side. So divide by 2, and we have r equals 2. This one down here, we add 8 to both sides. That cancels out the minus 8. So we're left with 5e equals 14. Divide by 5. That leaves us with e equals 40 divided by 5 is 8. And so the final answer is e equals 8. This one over here, we've got minus 2. So we're going to add 2 to both sides, keep the equation balanced. We have 11v, and that is 55. So divide by 11. We're left with v equals 5. Just make sure that the variable's on the left and its value is on the right. Box the final answer. Last one, minus 9. Minus 9 on that side, that cancels out. Leave us with 9h. On this side, we're left with 27. Divide by 9. That cancels out. That leaves us with h on that side, 3 on that side. Just reformat so that the variable is on the left and its value is on the right, and box the final answer.